Hi there! In this Neuro review, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that helps you automate affiliate marketing, generate content, and boost online profits, all with minimal effort. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience from testedapps.com. I make honest reviews to help you find the best tools to scale your online income. If that sounds good, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. Before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you grab Neuro through my link below. These bonuses will help you get results even faster. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Neuro? Neuro is an AI-powered automation tool that helps you streamline affiliate marketing, generate viral content, and drive traffic on autopilot. No need for tech skills, content writing, or expensive tools. Perfect for beginners and experienced marketers looking to scale. Whether you want to create money-making affiliate campaigns, automate content creation, or drive traffic, Neuro does it all with AI. Who is this for? Affiliate marketers. Automate promotions and boost commissions. Bloggers and content creators. Generate viral content in minutes. Beginners. No experience, no problem. Neuro features that stand out here are some standout features that caught my attention. AI-powered affiliate campaigns. Auto-generate high-converting campaigns in minutes. One-click content creation. Let AI write SEO-optimized articles, scripts, and emails. Automated traffic tools. Tap into viral traffic sources for free, done-for-you templates. Ready-made campaigns for instant results. Cloud-based software. No downloads, install, or headaches. No need for experience, paid ads, or manual work. Neuro does the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you exactly how Neuro works with a quick walkthrough. Step 1. Log in to the Neuro dashboard. Step 2. Choose a campaign or content type. Step 3. Customize with AI-generated content and automation settings. Step 4. Publish and start getting traffic and commissions. That's it! No complicated setup or learning curve. Okay, let's go over and play a quick demo video explaining this a little bit more.
Jason slumped at his kitchen table, eyes locked on his credit card statement. $327.64 gone again this month. His stomach twisted as he scanned the endless list of AI tool subscriptions, voice generators, image creators, text assistants, and more. Each charge felt like a slap in the face. But the real gut punch? He hadn't made a single dollar back. Not one. He'd poured everything into a side hustle that was supposed to change his life, but instead, he was drowning in bills, wondering how he was going to explain this to his wife. A bitter thought crept in. Am I paying to fail? Sadly, Jason's not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the same position as Jason. But here's the truth. The problem isn't AI itself. The problem is the gatekeepers who charge you monthly to use them. I mean, look at this. ChatGPT costs $20 a month. Jasper, $49 a month. Canva Pro, $13 a month. Claude, $30 a month. Microsoft Copilot, $30 a month. Midjourney, $60 a month. And the list goes on. And it's not like you can just give up on AI. It's a $683 billion industry. You need it in your business to survive. Without it, you don't have a chance to compete. But what if there's a completely different and revolutionary way? What if you could access all of those AI models from one powerful dashboard without paying a single penny in monthly fees or API costs? What if you could just search for any AI model you want? Whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Leonardo, Synthesia, Cosmos AI, Jasper, ElevenLab, Palm 2.0, Llama, or any other top-tier model, and just with a click, you have full and unrestricted access to it. Say hello to Neuro, the world's first universal AI app that lets you search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market, all without the hassle or monthly fees. With Neuro, Neuro, you can effortlessly unlock premium AI models to create 8K motion videos, Chat GPT-like chatbots, AI virtual assistants in your brand voice, websites and sales funnels, logos and 4K images, voiceovers and voice cloning, audio transcriptions and music mixing, sales and ad copies with article rewriter and plagiarism checker, image editing, remove background, paint, colorizer, etc., video to blog, WhatsApp deal closer and AI web chat, flipbook, text to app, branding, virtual business cards, and more. It's easy. Simply type what you need. For example, I want to create 8K motion video. I want to clone my voice. And Neuro will instantly search for and activate the world's best AI models to get it done, all within the Neuro app. No API fees, no monthly costs. Imagine creating websites, funnels, products, logos, and more, all from one dashboard, and make money like this and this in just 1 to 2 minutes a day. Not just that, imagine generating 8K videos, 4K images, flipbooks, and even software from the same dashboard. Basically, anything you can imagine in your wildest dreams, you can achieve it in seconds. But it gets even better because Neuro allows all of those AI models to interact together and work in perfect harmony. It produces results 19 times better than any individual AI model and 10 times faster. Imagine building a business where the logo is created with Canva, the website's created by Claude, the content by ChatGPT, and the VSL is created by Leonardo. Again, all from the same dashboard, without a single click and without paying for any of the AI models. Hey, my name is Saeed, and I'm here to show you the power of Neuro and how you can use it to make money even if you know nothing about AI. Neuro works for everyone and anyone, regardless of where you're from, what language you speak, or even your level of experience. All you need is just 3 simple steps. And the best part is, no monthly payments, no upfront costs, no installation or configuration, no limits or restrictions, no API fees. Amazing! By now, I'm sure you're wondering how much this will cost you. Neuro will save you a minimum of $13,231.23 a year while helping you build a profitable business or land freelance gigs that can generate daily income like this. So it would be fair to charge you a minimum of $997 a month for it. But I can't do that. I was in Jason's shoes, paying monthly for everything and getting little to no results. So I don't want anyone to suffer the same. And since I make more than enough money with Neuro, I don't need your money. All I ask you is to just cover the cost of the hosting by paying a small one-time fee, less than the price of a pizza. And you can have unlimited and unrestricted access to Neuro. Not just that, I'll even give you a free commercial license so you can use it in your business or your client's business or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or anything else. And to make the deal even easier, you'll get exclusive bonuses worth over $10,000, and you're protected by my 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If for any reason you think that Neuro's not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny you've paid. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below before we reach our limit and close down Neuro forever. And pick up your copy now, and I'll see you on the other side. Hello. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the Neuro app works. Neuro is the first-to-market AI app that allows you to search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market and access it from a single dashboard. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. To get started, all you have to do is click on the AI model menu. Right here, you can search, unlock, and activate premium AI models. Just input your prompt, whatever you want to achieve. For example, I want to create a motion video. Once you input the keyword, Neuro will search for and unlock different AI models to help you achieve your task. Here's one AI model for motion video, powered by Leonardo AI. You can click on it to create your motion video right away, inside the Neuro app, without paying for any API or monthly fees. There are also different AI models you can use for various tasks. Okay, let's check another example. I want to clone my voice. Amazing. This will bring up different premium AI models for voice-related tasks. As you can see, text-to-speech powered by OpenAI, Azure, and GCP. Instant voice cloning powered by Stable Diffusion and 11 Labs. Audio mixing and speech-to-text tools. Just click on the one you want. Let's try voice cloning. And right here, you can easily clone your voice. Another prompt. I want to create a stunning website. Neuro will activate the perfect AI model to create beautiful and stunning websites. You can also search for, I want to create chatbots, and Neuro will give you different AI models for that. AI virtual assistants powered by OpenAI, Google Bard, Meta AI, and Claude. This is for creating ChatGPT-like AI chatbots, and other AI tools are also listed. Next example, I want to create images. Neuro will activate the perfect AI models for image creation, like Prompt to Image, AI Image Generator, Graphics and Logo Creator, Photo Studio, and more. Or you can type, I want to create social media designs, and you'll get the perfect AI model for that. I want to write code for my app, and Neuro will show you models to write code in any programming language powered by OpenAI and Gemini. Another prompt, I want to create a business card, and the AI model for business card creation will pop up. You can easily create your business card directly with the Neuro software. So whatever you have in mind, just input your prompt and you'll get access to the premium AI model to get the job done, all directly from Neuro. Remember, no API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. This is the one app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for AI models. Thanks for watching. See you inside.
Now, let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. After purchasing Neuro 17, you'll see these optional upgrades. OTO 1, Unlimited, 67, removes all restrictions, allowing you to create unlimited campaigns, traffic sources, and content. OTO 2, Done for You, $297. The Neuro team sets everything up for you, perfect if you want results fast. OTO 3, Automation, 47. Enables fully automated campaigns so you make money while you sleep. OTO 4, Swift Profits, $47. Unlocks secret AI traffic and conversion hacks to boost your earnings. OTO 5, Limitless Traffic, 97. Get access to high-converting buyer traffic instantly. OTO 6, Agency, 167. Sell Neuro as a service to clients and keep 100% of the profits. OTO 7, Franchise Edition, 97. Resell Neuro as your own product and pocket 100% commissions. OTO 8, Multiple Income, $47. Unlock extra monetization methods for more profits. Which OTO is best? If you want to maximize Neuro's potential, I highly recommend OTO 1, Unlimited, and OTO 5, Limitless Traffic. Pros and cons. Honest verdict. What I like about Neuro: beginner-friendly, no coding or experience needed, saves time, automates affiliate marketing and content creation, multiple income streams, traffic, commissions, and lead generation, one-time payment, no monthly fees. What could be improved? The front-end version has limits. You'll need OTO 1, Unlimited, for full potential. It's not magic. You'll still need to take action to see results. So, is Neuro worth it? If you're looking for an easy way to automate affiliate marketing, create viral content, and drive traffic on autopilot, then yes, Neuro is a solid choice. However, if you expect instant riches without effort, this isn't for you. Grab Neuro using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses. They'll help you get even better results. Let me know in the comments. What do you think of Neuro? Will you use it? If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.